To receive Wells Fargo mobile banking, start by ensuring you have a compatible mobile device and a Wells Fargo account. If you do not have an account, visit a local branch or the Wells Fargo website to apply. First, download the Wells Fargo mobile banking app from the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android devices. Once the app is installed, tap to open it and select the option to enroll in mobile banking. You will need to provide your Wells Fargo account information, including your account number and social security number or tax identification number. Next, create a username and password for your mobile banking account, following the prompts to set up security questions and answers. This information will be used to verify your identity when logging into your account. After enrolling, you can log in to your mobile banking account to view account balances, transaction history, and pay bills. You can also transfer funds between accounts, deposit checks remotely, and set up account alerts to notify you of low balances or large transactions. To deposit a check using the mobile banking app, select the deposit option, take a picture of the front and back of the check, and enter the check amount. The funds will be deposited into your account, subject to Wells Fargo's deposit policies. To ensure the security of your mobile banking account, use a strong password, keep your device and app up to date, and avoid using public computers or unsecured networks to access your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and conveniently manage your Wells Fargo accounts using the mobile banking app. If you have any questions or need assistance, you can contact Wells Fargo customer service for support.